Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss Patent Agent Examination 2008 April Paper 1. So question number 1 is answer the following any 5. Question number 1A, what is non-obviousness, and 2 is patentability of an invention. For non-obviousness, kindly see section 2(1)(j), that is it must have an inventive step. And second is patentability of an invention, kindly see section 2(1)(a). There are only 3 important criteria for patentability. First, it should be novel, there must be an inventive step, and the invention must be capable of industrial application. Question number 1B, what are the grounds of post-grant opposition under section 25(2) and who can file it? Kindly see the various grounds under section 25(2) and who can file it. Any interested person, any person can file it. This is also given in section 25(2) in the starting. Question number 1C, what is PCT? Discuss its benefit. Kindly see the PCT filing PDF available on IP India website. Kindly have a look. This is the coming to next question. Question number D, what is ISA and what is IPEA? Write about their function. Kindly see rule 19A for ISA, International Searching Authority, and for IPEA, Examination Authority. Kindly see rule 19F. Question number 1E, what are the conditions subject to which a patent is granted in India? This condition is given in section 47. Question number 1F, state the grounds for grant of compulsory license. What is section 92A of the Patent Act 1970 as amended? For grounds of compulsory license, kindly see 84 for all the 3 grounds, and kindly see 92A. Question number 2A, amendment under the Patent Act. 5 times it has been amended. Kindly see the Patent Act. In the starting it has been given. Question number 2B, convention application. Kindly see section 135. For multiple priority, section 11 clause 3 and 4 and rule 21. Revocation of a patent, section 64. And claims. For claims, it is available on Wikipedia as patent claims. Kindly search on Google. You may also search as patent claims and go to the other websites which has described it very nicely. Next question is question number 3. Answer the following. Why patent system is required? So, number 1 is promoting innovation. Second is knowledge sharing and increase in technological understanding. Third is exclusive rights to the inventor. These are the main 3 reasons for patent system. Question number B, what is a provisional and complete specification? Kindly see section 9. What is a divisional application? Kindly see section 16. What is a designated and elected states? That I will give. Kindly have a look. This information is available on WIPO site. Kindly search as National Phase of PCT Application Guide. You will get this. When is an office a designated office? When is an office an elected office? When there is an examination, international preliminary examination is filed, the term elected office is used. Kindly go through it. What is Budapest Treaty? Kindly see section 2(1)(aba). Next is when is a patent application examined? Kindly see section 11B. When can a pre-grant opposition be filed and by whom? After publication and before grant. A pre-grant opposition is, and who can, by any person. This is given in section 25 clause 1. Who is an assignee? Kindly see section 2(1)(ab). Who is an legal representative? Kindly see section 2(1)(k). What is unity of invention? This section has been deleted or repealed. Last question is what are the rights of a patent agent? Kindly see section 127. He can practice before the controller. Next question is write in full the followings. First is WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. Second is IB, International Bureau. IPAB, Intellectual Property Appellate Board. TRIPS, Trade Related Aspect of Intellectual Property Rights. And ARIPO, African Regional Intellectual Property Organization. Next question is true and false. 5A, natural person and a legal entity both have to give the same filing fee. The statement is false. Kindly see the fee structure. Question number 5B, any number of pages and claims can be filed without corresponding increasing fee. No, there is a limit. Limit is up to 30 pages and up to 10 claims. There is no additional fee. Kindly see the fee structure. Question number 5C, sequence listing should be done in a computer readable form. That is absolutely correct. Kindly see rule 9 clause 3. This is given. Question number 5D, there is a reduction in fee if a patent application is filed electronically in India. This is known as e-filing. Generally 10% rebate is there. The statement is true. Kindly see the fee structure. The term of all patent is 20 years in India. This statement is also true. Kindly see section 53 for term of patent. That's the end of paper 2008. I have mentioned all the relevant section. Kindly go through it. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like, subscribe and comment.